Hello everyone. If you're looking to learn HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript the right and up-to-date way, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll teach you how to use these technologies with the best practices and standards of 2025 to build modern and responsive websites. This course has already been taken by over 5,000 students and has earned a 4.9 rating, making it a highly popular and high-quality course. The regular price of the course is currently around €50. However, I want to offer this course to you for free, so you can access all the sections of the course legally and without any cost. To get started, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. After that, click on the relevant link to visit the desired page. Make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly to be directed to the correct page. On the main page of GoToDiscounts, you can easily find the latest Udemy courses offered with special discount coupons and take advantage of these exclusive discounts. To access the discount coupon for the course in question, as you can see here, simply click on this link to easily get the discount. The course page will open, providing details such as the discount and its expiration date. Make sure to check the expiration date to take advantage of the discount. To access the discount, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to access this course through GoToDiscounts and get it for free. Instead of paying around €50, I can now get it completely free of charge. Keep in mind that there's only 4 days left for this special discount, so don't miss out on the opportunity. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. We've got fresh and exciting videos every day that you don't want to miss. So stay with us and hit the bell icon to be the first to know when we post new content. Take care and see you in the next one.